As a citizen of India, filing of income tax return is very much important for the development of the country, provided if you have a more than taxable income. So suppose if you have not filed the income tax return, what are the consequences and what are the benefit you lose? So that I will tell you in this video. First thing is you have to pay late fees of rupees 5,000 rupees if you file before 31st December 2024. So you have to pay 10,000 rupees if you file before 31st March 2025 if taxable income is more than 5 lakh rupees. In other cases 1000 rupees will be the late filing fees. Second thing is you have to pay interest on unpaid taxes. That means suppose if your tax liability is 20,000 rupees, you pay 10,000 rupees through TDS or other things. So balance is a 10,000 rupees is a unpaid tax. On that 1% per month interest you have to pay till the date of you make the payment. So third one is, so you will lose the benefit of claiming a refund. Suppose if you have a if you have already paid excess tax through TDS or advance tax, so your income is not proportionate to that and you supposed to get a refund. So you will not get refund unless you file the income tax return before the due date. Fourth one is higher rate of TDS. When you withdraw cash from SB account or current account more than 1 crore rupees, there will be a TDS. If you have not filed last 3 years return, so the TDS will be applicable on above 20 lakh rupees withdrawal at the rate 2%. If it is a more than 1 crore rupees, so 5% will be 5% TDS will be there. So file return regularly. Fifth one is, suppose if you are not filed the return or skipped the return, so income tax officer may send a notice for this regarding you not filing the return, even though if you have source of income. In that case, if you are not responding for the notice also, there may be a chances of levying a penalty of or late fees of 10,000 rupees. Sixth one is the banker may ask you last 3 years income tax return for the sources of income and credibility. So if you don't have a regularly filed income tax return, all your financial transaction will not approve, so that so you cannot take any loans further. So the last one is, even though if you have a good taxable income and if you have not filed the income tax return, so there is a chances of department may seek information for the same and they can send the notices, levy interest, penalty, and if the transaction is evading taxes, so there is a chances of 7 years of imprisonment. So kindly file all your income tax return to avoid all these consequences and losing the benefits. Thank you friends.